Are you a blogger or a small business owner looking to upgrade your website's SEO? Then this video is for you. The plugin database is overloaded with a lot of options to upgrade your website's SEO. But have you been wondering which plugin is right for your website? Then in this video, I will walk you through two popular plugins, Yoast and Rank Math, and then tell you which is the best plugin that you can use on your website. Let's begin. My name is Soumya Shankaran and I belong to Bloggers Passion team. Yoast or Rank Math. This has been a very popular debate in the blogging world with a lot of bloggers shuttling between Yoast and Rank Math SEO plugins. So in this video, I'll walk you through the Yoast SEO first, both the free and premium versions, and then walk you through Rank Math, and then let's do the debate on which one is winning. So starting with the Yoast SEO. So Yoast SEO is basically a beginner friendly plugin where you have limited options and you don't have to worry about too many options that are cluttering your mind. So this was started back in 2008, and several websites of late have been using a mix of Yoast and Rank Math. But what we would suggest is, so right now at Yoast SEO, so you can see that it is very easy to set up. So basically all that you have to do is just click on activate, and then there are a couple of steps where you would link it to your social media, and then it's all done. So it is, you can also skip the overall configuration and then start with the blog work. And for each blog it gives you the option to add one particular keyword, focus keyword, and then include a meta description, so that is all auto included. And then all that you have to do is make sure that it passes the green mark. So basically, when you start using Yoast SEO, the basic version, so it is very simple and straightforward, and you don't need anyone's help. Now coming to the Yoast SEO Premium. Of late, Yoast SEO has been including a lot of versions and lot of features. So one of them is Yoast AI Generate, where it helps you create 5 SEO friendly titles and meta descriptions with just one click. And there are also a lot of AI tools being included, and then you have summarize option, and then you have optimize option, and then right now, earlier it was taking care of on page SEO, so right now it also takes care of technical SEO and then gives you the alert whenever the website is in a bad shape. So this is the case of Yoast SEO. And now coming to Yoast SEO Premium, you have the option of including it as an on-page end-to-end tool where it would look at the optimization, where you can target up to 5 keywords, and then you can also check your content for any broken links, and then you can add schema for FAQs and in general for the articles, and it is very easy to manage in general. So now looking at the rank math. So this is the important section of this particular video, because we have been using rank math since 2010, and I would like to show the exact proof for it. So here is the rank math proof, where we have purchased for the first time on November 10th, 2020, and since then there is no looking back. And rank math is very easy to purchase. So it is as easy as going to rankmath.com, and then SEO plugin, and then you would get the option to download it. And for that, you can either use the regular version directly on your WordPress site, or use the premium version by upgrading it to premium, and then it gets auto upgraded over here. And you can also get this auto upgraded on your website. So this is very easy to manage. And now coming to the options that are available on rank math. Rank math basically has a lot of options. So if you're at an intermediate level or at an advanced level of SEO, where you would like to have your website rank for several things and also run an enterprise maybe, then you should invest on rank math SEO. So the basic options that you get on rank math SEO would include all of these, but again you will not get all the modules that are mentioned over here. So you can see the lot of modules that are mentioned over here, but but you might not get the access to all of them. But the advantage with the rank math is that if you're using Yoast SEO for a longer time, then in that case you can directly import all the contents being there on Yoast SEO directly to rank math. And rank math, the plus point is that it is upgraded with AI version. So here you can see the list of modules that we have enabled, starting with content AI, which includes meta descriptions, contents that are completely SEO optimized, has a lot of questions and addresses people also ask, and several other sections. I have rank math 404 monitor, which contains all the details such as 404 errors that your clients are encountering while visiting your website. So what happens is when I click on 404 monitor, so this particular page opens up where it contains all the pages, so basically that does not contain content or that is not available on the website. So the complete list is mentioned over here. You have the option to redirect them to a specific link as well. So that is the advantage. And then you have the option of ACF, AMP, analytics. So basically, like getting your website across multiple devices, including mobiles, and also analytics. You can directly integrate this to your Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and it helps you understand what is the your website's particular status. And then you have BB Press, which is exclusively for forum, and then you have Buddy Press module, which is again for forum but focuses more on the SEO aspect of the forum. And then you have image SEO. So this is a great advantage. Imagine you are working on the website, you are uploading an image, and you don't have the alt tag being updated, and then you just publish it. So this one automatically adds the alt tag and also the title tag for all your images. So that is the biggest advantage. And then the instant indexing option was there in the plugin for a really long time, and this is right now when using the Index Now API, it is right now working for Bing and Yandex as well. And then you have link counter, LLMS text. So this is basically meant for the AI SEO. So this is available. And if you're planning on local SEO, then this is going to be great. This module is required. Well, imagine you're running a news website, then you have sitemap. In the case of Yoast SEO plugin, so you only have XML sitemap. Here you can create both XML and HTML. Then you have podcast, redirections, schema, role manager. You can assign roles across the people, your team that you have. And then you have SEO analyzer. So let's go with the SEO analyzer and see what's happening. So basically, this is analyzing the homepage of the site, and then it shows 89 out of 100, which is the health score for the overall website. So the number of tests being passed, and then it gives a common features. So common variables containing what is the existing scenario and how it's working out. So you have headings and all the sections being assessed in detail. So this is another key aspect. And then so there are more sections, and here is one more, which is redirect. So these are all redirecting to, so Nexus coupon code is redirecting to liquid web coupon. So you can see the type of redirect and then how many people have gone through this, and the complete detail is mentioned here. Now coming to the titles and meta. So for each page, you will be able to optimize this. Each page you can update the focus keyword, let rank math directly add descriptions, use its schema to help your particular article rank better and faster. So all of these are right now work in progress in the case of Yoast SEO, whereas rank math has advanced in all these aspects. You rank math as the encyclopedia of SEO, and you have all the details over here, and you can easily manage it in one go. So what I would say based on the experience is that Yoast SEO works great for beginners and intermediate levels. Whereas if you wanted a detailed snapshot of your website in terms of the SEO and also get it optimized for AI and LLMs, then Rank Math would be the perfect solution. And now, if you're thinking how to purchase Rank Math, what we would suggest is start with the basic version, which is the free version, and then explore all the benefits. And then, if you're still convinced, then you have a coupon code which is mentioned here in the description and also pinned in the first comment. So, you please look at the pinned comment and then make a purchase, and then you can experience the benefits that we have been experiencing for 5 years by now. And trust us, so we have been using for 5 years and there are no errors and only upgrades that are done on a regular basis. And Yoast SEO is a no-brainer if you wanted to start your experience with blogging. So the use cases are mentioned, and then the choice is up to you on which plugin works fine for your case. I hope the comparison between Rank Math and Yoast SEO was comprehensive and also helped you in making the decision for your website. So in our case, we have been a very happy customer of Rank Math SEO, and we would strongly recommend this plugin to you. And if you would like to use this, then we have an exclusive discount code for you, which is attached in the description, or you can also look at the first pinned comment. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned. This is Bloggers Passion Team.